I was in for Mamma Quaba at about too much GHO. Yasa Edia she moved you, ya, Sabi Didi, home como, and some way, Homena, a micron gun, you move just and yasam to talk cry. Yelia ban Nana Amma Mcbrown. Ya just an same one, and some Homena, or ye, and some tyranny, as so as in the training, I or Sanso actress and nature say, Nejuma dear dorsal, ya, and yasam to Baba one and near Dane, I. Mammy and near den Neduma some dear on Fenia bro. On another same much as in a home and some dear, as when years a see a catcher war, Ubia and your war cafa Baby now, see I can once say baby free in features here, ever pimne, near Baba Toffum in also, yet in kind Eddie abroad that, ya and also dear no so, yes, I Eddie Baba so much as a yasam ketua. A free name a meso. Nena fufuoso ninianom ne obia ensemwa obia akafa ho nyina na yedinka edi ababeso na so fofra sa beto abonten achese we dia ono ankasa nanu asema wakaye ai penise ka kumye gine kokwenu ono ankasa akasa but ansa na ebekọ akohwe video no me pesa o subscribe o click the notification icon so na feel so uja comment section ho ye bekenkan edi ama o kama pa na dwumadi bia so wo ho no ye de edi kama I me pa cha fa comment na bra na bekenkan edi ama afen so o pese e ba onioma so ho dawuro so a me pa cha fa bra na ye bedi dwuma no edi ama director wa ha I wo bedi sa dwuma no edi ama o kama pa na so dwuma no etimi atumpon edi ama enenya me nkwa na mo ha me ne honorable na wa ha Honorable Ben Bruce ena ewaha asana ebekọ ne nchen pese ekohwe video ne ba se na ama Mcbrown ekopie mu ewo Hit FM enkomo twetwe ekọso no ensem a wokan ye ono ankaza to ne no mutu no yenkotie emra sesiye.
I want you to answer this for me quickly before you go. Okay. You've been in the news lately that your marriage has hit the rocks.
Oh, my Andy, don't let us talk about it.
Oh, no.
Because I'm happy at home. We are happy. We are very happy. Extremely happy. And it's just like life, up and down. So this is not what they are saying. I'm not here to respond. I'm here for my way. But I just feel like me and my husband, we are cool. We are fine. That's all I can say.
Rob?
You are very fine. I love my husband.
Hey, controversial man. What is it? What?
Only man bet. I
know my way. I'm going
to Dusty.
Come dancing.
Bad man.
A bad man.
Oh, me, I'm not a bad man.
You're a bad man.
No. No, because there was a video that Mcbrown was saying something.
He just said bad man. You're bad man.
Yeah. No. The reason I had to ask was that Mcbrown was talking and advising people and telling them about some regrets. And for me, we all have it.
You know, Kobiche is my official blogger for my movement and all that, and Onya Showtime, Nyadi. And we decided about a few months or weeks ago, say, before we go on the show, everybody has a strategy for their business. It's one of the strategies that we want to draw attention for myself, my show, Kobe, and everything we do good. So we decided to do that before every Sunday live show. And unfortunately, and yes, but you see, me any pay my own mama idea. As some no, me imagine I'm a day back, but Obia was said you'll be see a church room. What I say, na Andy, so we are bofrano, you near maybe one ma. When I say, me who yank a mania, and no chile say, met to me a pepau, Davy. And then no chile say, me, Adena make us. The point is, you want near maybe why. To say me starting me acting career, dear my family, it is meant for today. Send them home better me. And you what Debbie was so me am the margin could be young could be a chi, a quiet Debbie. And none make us me who ya.
Right.
And come on yet. And yes, sir, me call miracle when I'm call costume, no. You sue me kakrano. And no, you sue me, mammy, the bedroom, ne.
Right.
Because a hot year, you serve and be served. Into no, that interpretation, will be also the best afano. I don't mean any harm. I feel like the American, Ubia was a cobweb, no be one cabinet more. Ubenya nanka or Wawa and so a caho.
Right.
And that's what I mean. Say, me ya could be a wa. And cause me POP na meant to me uncle, Prince of Peace school na meant to me uncle. Na school fees,
the blue and white school.
Prince of Peace girls secondary.
POP.
Na school fees who are in a bank. Me who nyansanka bianca. Me coton du aye ahomachi.
Right.
Ediko sukuno. Aye ne. Fa you mutete ya. Umukwe legonya me no. Kwala soeli nanam de nam. What I say? But Sanyo no na me can say next be correct me certificate bia. And can make me extra than what I'm doing. And can you maybe be employ other staff my services with because me was a qualification. And they will be employ me or share me suwai. Me juma amaye. Any dear me ye ne de employ me. But a ban book muni Sanyo no. Ube foul. No, I can't tell me quiet course be a game pamra and son of our family. Oh, say,
right.
And none of me patcher, and yes, baby, I may do many so. Hey, I rather reverse my life I can hamper. Me bury us to be one messa here, Nana Mcbrown, and Nimum, and your marketing kitty were made day. May try. No, my
to avoid.
Yes.
But how are you handling the pressures on social media?
I don't have a pressure. I don't have any pressure. Me.
Do you read some?
Do
you read some of the comments?
Me and
You know,
the point is, yeah, it's my own car. I bought it myself. I fuel it myself. I'm living in my own house. I'm living in a house I built with my husband. We are fine. What I say? Into who hand I never come as my mama pressure. No, yes, sir. My mama pressure. There is no pressure. There is no any problem. There's no nothing. What I say? My life no me da wanim. Into the upe be able to me account. It is up to me to see said the okay no nyansa sem intim the can dey me no ebebo and I say wo may you raise you cry but I say may raise you so am do be kan mo ho ankrofo bi no yes obi a wo bi do be kan mo gina nchen no na ma focus o mo bo ame no na ma komanim asa me over me wo bi pipa intim no medro anopa bia into pressure na any scientific mm and to me 22 years. Hey, now who share me no na we dware pipe ano. What will come as them no. Time I started so him teas no we dware pipe ano. Na sabi we akoda. And ne ye nyina any opportunity e quick phones, your internet. I mean what I say be pages. Into say won fa wo de no nya de pa. Now say me and me nyame ahira me dada no. Me de na obegina so anopa to enwumre di ha sweetheart. I bet you I'm a fulfilled woman. I have everything in life, some will be baby. Calculate, mommy.
Okay. Do you have anything or you want to calculate?
McBreezy.
McBreezy.
I understand some person me shame who so pa me din komo but me ye nipa no de me can no say de tie no a. Oh, and anya wo and the menu be my shows so I make cry me whatever is trending coming few. You better my will.
Kwame, you've not spoken.
I'm starstruck actually because this is somebody that I admire from afar. And is there anything that you do wrong? Or be negative and as in there is anything you can't do well? Because in the creative art space, I see her sing, see her act, see her dance. As an industry now, a woman in the showbiz industry, they be beauty me. You
know, back in the day, we used to go to the studio with her.
Yeah.
There are certain songs she even backed. And she plays football. She rides the bike.
I directed.
She directs movies. She's a script writer.
Everything. And I think the personality also works for her because she comes across as somebody as an area holder.
Hey, Osun. If you are closer to her.
Yes, me emre pa. But not for the job.
Okay.
For my family side. For the job there, me little woman.
Okay.
I'm ever ready for every bump.
Wow.
Oh yes, and enkumi so.
Never.
Entimi nkumi.
Now, I think you've done so well for yourself, regarding where you came from. Maybe I will free out the do hasino. And I think you are a role model for a lot of people in the industry, both men and women. Probably, I think people would want to be where you are right now, but it takes grace and hard work, and everything that you're going through. Andy has said it all. I think it's part of life, and so take it easy. Bye.
Thank you, Kwame.
Let me just, for me, the most exciting thing is how the role model aspect.
Yeah.
So we don't really have too many people.
Yeah.
And, her story has also not been told enough. It's like a lot of people elsewhere, you would have their story put together in such a way that this is the package. This is how she started. These are the tough times, tough moments. And then eventually,
I'm doing
Mcbrown
something like that.
Oh, really?
So
You're documenting it?
So a book is coming. And,
like a book?
Book and many
audiovisual, beautiful.
I am not Mcbrown.
George
No.
Quay. George Quay is
working on
a
something
brother. We are doing something.
Okay,
we started like 2 years ago.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
George Quay, Arnold, Samuel Beidu.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a great mind.
Yes,
so
we 2 years ago, Krana.
I think we need to see, you remember we sat here some time ago. Unfortunately, traffic, and so she got here very late, and we couldn't really talk. You remember?
Yes.
When do we have that one-on-one, like to take a proper journey?
I'll take permission from my husband.
Well, Max is my guy.
And they call Max.
Max is my guy. He was with me just, what did he tell you? I was with him. Was it last week or last 2 weeks? Hey, I'm calling Max right away.
So for me, again, so Kwame was saying that she'd do anything. Of course she does. And I think she's just so humble about it. And then I see her as somebody who has the attitude of continuous learning. Every time she's learning, and, she's learning on the job, because when she had the issues on air with respect to what she was supposed to say,
the transition
and stuff like that, she acknowledged that.
Right.
But that was then. This is now. She's
moved
on.
Guess what?
Upgrade.
So let me tell you something. Let me tell you something she did. There was something remarkable she did. Before she started the show, do you remember? She called me and told me that she was going on air and that she's been hired to host an entertainment show. And she said, Andy, I will need you to do one thing for me. And I asked her, say me you are my go-to guy. I'll call you. Promise me you. I'm like, well, promise me. Call me anytime you need me. She admits it when she knows that this is not my area. And so I need help. That's one thing I will always give to her.
So Kwame, that goes to support everything.
I know. I was just saying, but we all have our weaknesses, so it's understandable.
I think that she's doing the things that she's good at, or things that she's passionate about. So the areas where she's not good, maybe she's not necessarily
try to get better.
No, she's not a doctor, so you don't see her in that space. She allows potatoes to rotate.
Big bro, okay, this is a message for you. Obidum be Edukumi. Edukumi is with Adum. Edukumi. It says, Big bro, please tell Nana that she is us. The people from Kwadaso are super proud. She should always remember that she has a whole community. Kwadaso is solidly behind her from Obidum be
Kwada State.
Home support.
Kwadaso
Breezy.
Yeah.
I like that,
Charlie.
Yeah. Andy, thank you for having me.
Most welcome. Thank you very much for coming. Our time is up.
But we are happy we stopped by.
Thank you very much.
Send my way on. Cause no, we are also being anyway. Because you your way and you did Rahano. Yeah, your way and keep Chamako.
People are saying they are accessing the numbers. The feedback, meaning say, has it jammed up? Is it jamming up?
So they can try this one, *170#
okay.
MTN platform.
That's the mobile money number.
So on that platform, they should select number 5, and then they should also select 5 from there, then number 1.
Okay.
Don't worry, we'll come back. We're supposed to go to Joy. Now Joy a hit there somewhere in Yanum.
So I repeat, they should go to *170#. as in MTN platform. Then they should select number 5, then number 5 again,
and then
number 1.
You're most welcome. Amma,
thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Guys, we have to schedule a proper one-on-one with Mcbrown.
And anytime.
Thank you, darling.
Anytime she steps, I'm around.
I said, let's my ways.
Abusiafo enti nana ama Mcbrown na yekọ hwe wa bra no ne nsem twerefo ahwehwe enkomo ewo hits FM no ai waka ensem bebre but eyam komo twetwe enti no mekọ na waze medinka aka kire se obakofo twetwe enkomo ai enti yebekọ honorable nten na yene no ahye enkomo twetwe na se honorable Ben Bruce honorable me wakọ
yeah
bacho na pome
oh yekwem bale
there are yes. Nana Mcbrown na one name for
sure.
Nidin the no abo say Nana Mcbrown so
sure.
Na me bonus idea man no.
Yeah.
I say we say.
Oh, be charity for no be here that's the be am me I'm happy. I mean for the past 2 weeks I've not been myself because or you one person or you role model for Sebe me mama omoba and sebe and mama omo picture and I see her say oh yeah the impossible made possible and oh yeah we achieve so much say people are omo kra no and me say challenges kakra we ase no omo who say it is possible if one you are determined number 2 if you believe in God. And then number 3, if you pursue what you believe in. These 3 things. Until you be a Sasam Tuna, maybe the America Sena, I told the whole Ghana. I mean, yes, she was no Obia, and they said what she was going through, Now, what she said, it was not true. But check this.
Okay.
Guy in the country and said, do you know I was with Maxwell the other time? The name is okay. I'm not sure Maxwell told her. And I just want to say, I'll call him right now. So, no, the reaction, no, and your way, she's an actress, so she'll bring it out. You don't expect Nanama to bring the problems in the space like that, or protecting the that's it. I'm sure there are issues, maybe, and yet as we are saying it or the way we are seeing it. Besides, every marriage be an issue, you know. A dead marriage. Marriage be a omon than a nyaware.
Say
take it from me. A warrior be a to kwemi than a nyaware.
Like me kai say say last year me na me yes some research be na me woman be one ni kunu o medi o ma ware for be 50 years.
Yeah.
I dance here no more say omon konda.
Enya no kre. And then na saware nya ware. Me so ano, me auntie na tete me. Na me fo so omon konda. Den na baba ware no so fitness na me nka asamo chero. O fo say em konda. But anytime bia ye be loud music or dem no, na say ye kon. Yes. Do you know why? Because our real 2 different people coming together. Ya titi ya ofako. Me mama and mama nya baako. You feel different cultures, different backgrounds. By all means, yet to me, but we need to compromise at certain points to make it work. Into our real or see omon konda and ya warrior, it doesn't exist. But only be and talking about how do you navigate it? Not because only be challenges never. Ultimately, for challenges, it builds you up. Now, what's your lessons so that you repeat it again? But challenges there over the warrior. Someone who said the challenges will come, but how do you make sure that you solve it as a man or a woman? They might have challenges, but if they are not yet as big as we are all saying, seeing the whole thing, but there will be challenges, I'm sure.
Once I know say a basebia or samba in less life or because or person sign and Mama Mcbrown.
Yeah.
Na some little mistakes go how when you build a bit to send enough of ne nneɛma bi a wɔyɛyɛ ne ade no tumu sɛ sɛdeɛ ne issue yi bae sɛdeɛ nafoɔ kaayɛ nnuanom kaayɛ no ɛno nti na ama ɔkasa asɛm.
I beg to differ.
Okay.
Life I woman challenges no and it make you who you are. Me I make say and what I've been through and I'm to make can make
okay.
Say be a man fema and come in do pempensu we hear me do. They be am say yen na ka say oh me ya wo me be ma ka me yi we fi me dey me yi film. Bibia including my failed marriage and marrying again is a big decision. My first marriage and another marriage has taught me a lot of things in life. Yeah, my marriage. And I share me near my baby say, if you are no, so and worry. Ninkakra, my wife be me and son worry. What I say, near maybe a me, yeah, no, my first hour when my baby and my west.
I bet them when you near son worry.
And you need age. You need your age per se. Maturity, experiences in life, the things that you've gone through. There are times you want ma, oh funny, I'm do my own say no. Wait, and yes, many are coming to me from. There be a may come in, may say, oh, to me, show home, now to me, show be and worry. Most of your worry be brave when we were small, no, we thought so about it to so. Or I come on, me who say obia warranty am but ultimately share obia and who don't marry because obana kwakofa no abano or you be back who na baba heno. The same way Bema no so a wo kwafa no or you be back say no ne maame eni ho who na baba ne maame. It's 1 year ready say meti me ahwe me ho ma hwe obi ba na especially and ye bibia me pen na metinya ye sese ya and worry. And most emmawo ade bi me de say ya na metie and ye worry. So when you ready say me be worry no ma compromise it so that I'll fit into the marriage and worry. God say ya na metie de ye fa nkwa worry. Mate ma be bre me de say ya me de me kunu oba ba worry na onu say ya na metie say ya na wotie na won society de adawagi mi. Esa wo sesa because with time, no, you change. Okay. What worry? What we say, ukunu by nature, no, or a reserve type, on pen now for. Now would they be out in now for Buffy? What they on carry? Now bounce out of your back, then the master. On carry now what they buy? Now we need answer. And so who said, Bema, no, or yeah, now for Sam. So I say, and this one, my wound, so a reserve type. Ukunu de bia on na afuba no afufo mame no me na afo eso akache papa me ti me nya say adwuma no won na me worry na you see we should be able to adjust yeah adjust here the marriage becomes some way standing the test of time what I mean can I say it as much as ye hu oba ye hu bema ne hu ofe or sika or you say no bisa hu say can I live with this behavior. A money be a fee, a money be a fee. What you say? Obema be o nim kasa, obema be bo ma, a money be nim kasa, a money be bo mama. Can I live with it? Ultimia, don't venture. Into marriage is there will always be challenges. But as you can go around it and manage it, it's your own cup of tea.
I see. Once in a case, na o ka se bi se one ni kunu ntem de asomdwe wo ho pa enti no ensemo amanfo kekaya obi se anokra se enti ensemo amanfo trotro social media ni ade no so no ni pressure itu susu se bibia sa nkoso anase bibisa
Raf mami can be sure
it's you
yes some percent bibi how and how I can decide say me ma bibi ha me. And that they be say a more into pressure now. Okay. I might have problem, but let's be a catch and must me must have problem they have. Because if you are small, there are things that you can never change.
Okay. Like
to say things about you, physically who you are, you can't change it.
Okay.
What do I say? So baby walk around to miss you might have to live with it. To say when you're bad, worry Bema or Pema. You can't change it. Ebe kwa kudu ebe say bema we say not here. I have to live with it. Okay. To say one worry obi a onim kasa.
So tia sia sa.
Ebi wo hon ma we try so be ya you say when wonim di enemu, wotimi nya hwe, you have to live with it. Okay. And there are things that you can change. There are things that you need to accept. So wait, I have to live with it. What I say? If your case on any problem, when you pen so be I was set to say, this is my husband. This is how he is. So I need to accept him as he is. So what I say? And also, in a bit so why I won't say, go now, woman, you may be and become my name. So I don't care what is happening. I'm moving forward. Okay. Because check this. The papa mo pa ka Maxwell and said, "Pardon about
studio."
Sure. The room was there settling now. What in the power and can see.
Nanka bibia to.
That's it. Can see. What in the power and can see.
Say bia now Maxwell ko be. It
doesn't matter. They be omo nyina so bia na adwuma. They can have time. Once ono kura no busy ano, what me have time.
Once recently, say Emra video be better abonten. Ya na Maxwell no. And now my bonti just said Maxwell.
Make I say an old video. That's an old video. I said it's an old video. But assembly ni wa yetimini ni pa de kwa station ho. Ni akoka say o Charlie that's it. Enti me dey make I say assembly sania etia wa bonti no. But me say assembly kakra ho. Bibi kakra ho baby and that man has been able to solve it because they are two adults. The families will be involved and they'll try and manage issues. Maybe someone for credit all that time. They can manage the issues. But and yet in some area beyond them, but there was something. There was an issue. Of course.
The issue people say yes, man a bit top on tiana, more like our phone temono. I say between you two no nama sorry and I say there was some more transcending and another day explode this.
Also, no, I'm normal share that in private life because of the celebrity status. You don't share that in private life. But then I can say, me say that you best see in Kunya or warrior hono. That then the bottle or Akunya when the good, are
the best sing Kunya.
That you best sing Kunya. And warrior a sono, our good. You know why? Yes, you best say Busio, sa sorry or some penny for be from me sa sem no I beyond more and Casano. That day no market to our end a good. Thank you. Me kwa kwa me no na e kwa fa energy now. Thank you. Me na mi hu bibi won ho mi obi ani nya mi hu won ho. E na me se me ware no. What did I make I say? Me na mi nya understanding me na me se me ware no. And then you may have problem be over us. I can't mean to me nyanti here, or also to me nyanti so see and see a powerful from them. When the third party accept Jesus Christ or back our enema, our enemy into the Bible. Say a so pa ka Bible nim na like kamunya whatever the solace. And no ye be as a devotion book. Ne do one man ya me na be quotation na mo dia ye na efi ho na ekọ sofo ho na sofo friend kunya ba that day no friend but date no to ho aware na gu
tin to time
egu ekwa e ba kogu yense kunya awo zaware ho that thing me hu ba bi efi ba ye mienu ni ehia na ekọ ware ye feel say bibi e over us ayenjai no bi ekọ the baby and the best thing. But say you be now, yes, kunya, then go for bonkro, when can it dear, na me cram it me yammy, no to me yammy, our enemy. That way, you better catch out, say, where you pass our enemy. That won't so bad, but bet you catch out, where you say, what said I know about Papa be our enemy? Because there is respect, there is trust, and there's love. Sadly, in the way, and keeping what the married together. Sadly, we break it up, especially the respect between the two of you are. There is no more one marriage. Okay.
My main can messages are not yet to us. Okay, Charity Opoku Ajama essay, Nana we love. I'm so one we love you, maybe your person can. Charity Poku Ajimai on one Sunday about say you really spoke well. And I'll say when Jesus says yes, no one can say no. And I see men sample so the about say we love you, Nana. Or say Nana Mcbrown and Gassano, or you'll be our Jenny Dinia, the ocean. Send you sit here about 10 also said, I send you crab in the bay. Aha, said you looking at her personality, no, and then send your nun, said Moko or Sonia, the other. Said your Wabeka say, assembly to be to me because one said then she soup you.
And I make her say, will you be when it down pa? The way all Cassa, the way all Cassano, she's trying to be bold, she's trying to be the woman, but a human. Until we show yeah, there is a problem. But and yet as huge as yes, we're 12 in the one no, it be a news. But there's definitely a woman because those pictures nearby, it was Maxwell with a woman. I'm not onion and I'm Mcbrown. And I'm Swawaria. Besides a family way, me I don't see another opposite sex a bet me a year now baby no and yeah me I will entertain so I don't see why you should entertain so there is a problem but oyenipa enti assembly ba na ebia you can say hey for the sake of your child for the sake of you na beti omutie you say okay go out there and say what you want to say but ebi wo ho no ma na twibi enim na ye ba sia no na nye. If there is any challenge, they should solve it. Say, Ebia na man de bia na juma sem no na ama onya time man kun se ne ani kun e pa. E se otimi twetwe ne ma bi so. Your sika ye pe na ya hwe ya ye be wie no na ya wawe agu. E ma bebrebe o me very business people no, o ni marriage. Sa na memma o me very busy no, obebe fie na obi de wo yere ko. Because you're emotional people. Oh, fear, BBA of your TV, BBA, but you need to talk to somebody. Okay. When I'm in a bonkomo, Debiano, Uuniho, Namino be there bonkomo. Very soon, may attach the person emotionally. Okay. Tell you, when you're magic, and it can be anybody. Once I became attached to the person emotionally, the next thing that will happen is what? We would start developing what we call love, feelings for each other. By the time I met na I baby a uncle. When I call say, the other party. And as much as you're pesicano, as everybody say, am I giving my spouse enough time? Send me money enough time, and some people may do money be so. And yes, can be on your pet. She can be open up the baby, and so so that you can have time for your spouse. Because I know and I said munyi bom na nyame ebua na munyam won kwam a enkolani nyina akọ enuma ni nyina akọ no ebeka woni wukunu no ana woni oyire no na se munni saa your friend is saying a cordial relationship na afa komo kwai modern. So as much as possible let's have time for each other.
It's a time ni mu a
problem
asemu
problem.
Nana Mcbrown eba bontin wa ba be kasa but ne kasa mu no eno na Ben Bruce honorable ese ohwa bibi ehye ntomase ya je se nana ma person act e wo ho physically no person act wo studio ho ma ofra binu mu ani se bibia eni so but ebia na bibi wo ho a ya solve yeah nana ma video eba bontin no eno ene ehwon komo but video bi nso aba bontin ya anu odin pa video we na akasa no honorable kese we ni ese se ka kire wo opani a we din fie adioson enkron 79 years eni a menka na sa bofra ya we din fie nsia e na akoda wakofa fie abofra ya ko hwe video ni mra sisi e
ko se ahun ti se eh hwe mi eh Papa ben na yo san. Ofa. Dia na yo.
Okodimi.
Ye mewu. Yes. Na ni ma de kro. E che sai. Kosia. Dia na ko so papa ndem ho. O ye wo den.
Odi na Mekase of a Mekea. I know, I say.
Kasem, who did you papa so for Yemen kwa? O say, Chase.
So you are quack.
Who call papa ni dem hono? One out in a chicken vie.
On the flame.
And I'll call, none of him. Unim of father.
Daddy, Madame Swell.
Who also are now for Befrel? To do you need them hono, or do to him?
Nimpaniso.
And I can say. Show me what they hear me.
O ka say.
You
are quack.
Just say. Oh, you mean one? Cause you have me. Oh, by no dear no ye. Or the baby good in some manner.
Into so no the good some day.
Echo. What for the dear, Kagu Mike in him.
Into so.
And all the other.
What the family chain?
You are Papa didn't tell you. To me, no other.
Or the farm.
You ready, couple? Lord have mercy. I think the son of pew. I know the goodness. I go say the goodness. I know the other. Cafe. Sir? I know say debut.
I didn't go to ye.
I didn't go to say Sir? Quanesi. Now no so the annoying day. Offer the
no. Fabian, 9 years.
Today I catch offer. Then I catch offer.
Me say offer me ya.
And no can say.
O ka say o di ma kwa kan.
Hey. Ti owie ye no odo koyin ko se ahun ti say hwe me papa be na yo san
Offer
dia na yo
okodimi
ye mewu we are say na ni ma de kro e che say ko se dia na ko so papa ndem ho o ye wodan
odimi na me ka say offer me ya. No ka say
Kasem, who did you papa so for Yemen kwa? O say, Chase. Who call papa ni dem hono? One out in a chicken vie.
On the flame.
And I'll call, none of him. Unim of father.
Daddy, Madame Swell.
Who also are now for Befrel? To do you need dem hono, or do to him?
Nimpaniso.
And I can say. Show me what they hear me.
O ka say.
You
are quack.
Just say. Oh, you mean one? Cause you have me. Oh, by no dear no ye. Or the baby good in some manner.
Into so no the good some day.
Echo. What for the dear, Kagu Mike in him.
Into so.
And all the other.
What the family chain?
You are Papa didn't tell you. To me, no other.
Or the farm.
You ready, couple? Lord have mercy. I think the son of pew. I know the goodness. I go say the goodness. I know the other. Cafe. Sir? I know say debut.
I didn't go to ye.
I didn't go to say Sir? Quanesi. Now no so the annoying day. Offer the
no. Fabian, 9 years.
Today I catch offer. Then I catch offer.
Me say offer Michelle,
And no can say.
I can't say, didn't back walk
Hey, hey. Ti owie ye no. Odo koyin. Wana do kofi.
I'm going.
Abusiafo enti papa ya wedding fie edioson enko 79 years ekosese abofra wedding fie nsia eho asem na enkomotwetwen no ekoso ayehwe ya chese asfem na so be ne den honorable ha honorable seni wegu ahome
yeah me se craft fem na asem we no if you baby na ekudi baby akola no kasa no or share the acts
yeah of course
yeah me de me hu say ebia oda ne maame ne papa nchen enti wahu ebida
okay
but the way or share no the farm twemu na do keka bam no wahu da na de bia na meka asemi say ye ne ye ma enda dan ba ko
wedding fee best.
It doesn't matter. Akola 2, 3. Mane koda baby. Unso ya enwo. Ade na yeti te kolasa. Akola when the kasa means she has been exposed to certain things where wunya baby. Kasa no can enya akola kasa. Me hold it brief for the man. No, never. But akola no.
Sema papa na nyere.
Me kasa me a papa ni dey say try be man atotwere yen twa atotwere no and your family ho because when Jimmy in the first place said ube akola kititi na wakọ what is this but the American church in before said if you do on my akola the 15 was say me mama ne papa na die back what do you expect unso ya enwo when you ready say be over warrior at west chamber and hall na kola da hall now we know you are them but any kola and say them the second one that ye na ye hwa say my papa dey surprise any ma ye hwa we TV so maka asem we ya me fie 5-year-old ultimately to say they are coming to kiss me 5 na me ni wa dey way TV stations now almost show soap operas. No, we need to ban them. Over 8 o'clock. Now you have Fiobiano, NCA, National Commission. Now one more time, Kwasiase when they possible.
I said you also hear the apple music.
Who president here? You have to spoil your man. Mcbrown bar. Now you are no so go back now. We are any oba akola no more share soap opera. Those things na yesusano kwakwa na stories and no dey because at the end of the day no obenya futuo bi wom and then kwase asem we ya hwe we TV su after be na wo obaba ba ku bia na se ya na bi bisa me ya o chama se wo bi ni nua na so mo fire the same person enti akola na who the same no ono hu muso bi e wo wo ni nua ka se mam no na o de beda because wo hu bi o TV so.
Of course.
What's the name I say? Meanwhile, no, the NCA laws the party say and give you 70% local content, need 30% foreign. Adani say your boss 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Every goddamn TV station in Ghana is showing soap opera foreign. And yeah, Ubesa Bio TV, you know, every Ghanaian station is showing Nigerian movie. And Jimmy Sam at the highest order, and nobody sees anything wrong with it. Yeah, man, yes, I know.
But certainly would know so about more.
About no. Yeah, me again and you, me Nigerian. Me Nigerian. Who call Nigeria? Now, who said they are showing Ghanaian movies? Omu Jimmy, what would Jimmy say?
Someone say a casana.
And yet, guess I've been on Matias, Omu Jimmy, Omu nationalistic. Kwa Nigeria, na go see your born Nigeria, Ghana for no more. They don't do it. And then Jimmy was Mexican. Mexican soap opera where ya brand new abrocheno and on the TV stations no ekoto no more show. Meanwhile, your actors and actresses Sikana when they got you could have invested in the actors to produce their way. What is wrong with us? Yeah. It's a policy. Not sure we are. Me I don't blame. But you see, Papa Benny falling so no. Maybe I say, Papa, Papa do on who I my wife, it was Yasam, my wife, near your body so. Okay. Sha, Papa, for the do all, San Safo, or my getting Yajuma. Okay. Because when say, oh my God, what pen my one, you call a Bremus side, and Niana, it's a over to follow. Anyway, oh, yeah, mammy, Nasabi, or Baba, or Kwasha Bema beyond them, Quakeno.
Baba ya wedding fee be
Efie bia e ma wo baba ko se kwabrane dem beba dem so brand hwe TV nti o hwe bi wotimi nto TV a enwo kwateno because nyeme koso e dem no people don't know especially akola ne grade 12 13 na obeya akola ne kwa mechanical enti obenyi obi bako ware no ho red sama ho
amodin
emu bia ma be man kom kra che se o hwe wonte akola e bia wadi 18 afo so afen na nka o dwen sa dwen watra because of ye niema yeye obi ya de ne ba we fa ne ho watra kwabra ne hwe TV so ba fi na bisa se oba no asemi ne yemi ni mo na ho ba bi yeah, wise people. Now, when you wake up call, NCA, banning those things on our stations, and say, Colano, China, you're banning your baby. China, you're banning your baby because 1% or Colano, only you and Yansem, and yet Jimmy.
Minimum Scandinavia, never use iPhone 15 Pro. Never, yeah, over a 10 years. And your phone in America, Papa. And your phone in America. Country Biano, they have all restrictions. Ghana Pena Yendi restricted BBR. I call out me find my phone. Now we're going to YouTube. Now you're sharing my phone. What's in America said? Sadia we make so many times said the things that we watch on our screens. And let's say ma. And then time be what to wana so about Bema or about Fe was say. Na onward the Sasha was say no already
all because one who yeah sometimes one what's not sa stations with big stations I say come who nyansa mafa twi say ya program na mu jimi stations or mu jimi me who be that because programs say betimi ya local content and just simple and you miracle under here na and na say or figure ya no 8 o'clock hey in Jacola, you we are about practice you.
And fear no romance and now.
Now there be a Colanca time when do you know Sadia Marie? When we show you a Colan, you be piano, of course, is a one room. Or who be beer, or feel say a good. Because Mimi do one as up, then I wish it. Also, when in here, no, pray way back home. That means that you are there now. Yes, I will mount. I was some Ghana, but not yet allowed. What is it? Say a sharp and you may be one more Ghana. I said I use you because you're going to say a normal. Sometimes, no, ya warrior, I will fear no, and money be added to two, say, who saw so popular. But I said, I see one, and I didn't buy it on your buy, no, who saw obey say. Me pacho, I am not a Mexican. Me a Ghanaian. Ya tete me wonu kura ni we mu kwase ade bi wo ayenye. Wo jira bonti na afi obi arode, wo so modernization ejimie. Sa de no yenye wa bonti. Suatra. Wo bejira na afi wo yira no de. No so kwa fi obi anu a, will you talk? We need to wise up.
Na papa na so e.
Papa na some see go twan be ma na tonton.
E no pe.
Ai, because when me hu ni America channel Papa for be on my young former money fee. Because when no and yes on can fear some. I hope say cry so treating someone. Mamu castle when you know Jimmy ya do call in someone no go Jimmy or you Papa panimu a etisa kwa o nana no me wo so watimi aka makwara na kotra fefe ne ho na me bag me kan kwata atwa de I'm telling you come go so me time I'm telling you
papa ne de no
me catch now me come kan kwata because watimi nyasa no trim emma bebrebe o kwa sha wo lai ma me fo bebrebe o na ho ya ebi mo kra di bi ache wo mo na mo o mo po bi adi o mo go o mo nya na wo akwa kitikiti we
ebi kra ye de
ebi bebi adi wo bi wo ma mi bi wo ho no 50 60 o di bi chache 15 years ago we o so ka o se nyina ye ni no ma ntanya na bia so be pele akola toto fe unyi mi agawe adi
asemo ba won se ne na para no kasa na akwai se benkasa ebia no obi na aka hye na no ana se bibisa but utie se ne na wo kasa na ai te se no obi na aka hye na
dabi na no ate dodo onim bibi oka onim ni nyema ni nyina adi ye sano ye modin bele kwala bodin because omo hwa ade no omo hwa o TV so ye romance obi ye fifi obi ano omo hwe akola ni kasa no or you're too young for her to even say it. Now me can say be I'm going to mean kasa. Say you want kasa just be here no. I don't ya papa to me for 2 rounds. Now me 2 rounds as adiketwa. Papa ko kura 79 years. Now to me boo part 2 rounds. Now what do you mean?
Say na me be say because say the akwala ne kan some.
There be or come because or the ho. I do for 2 rounds. Yes, why did you want? Second round I didn't sorry. Papa Penny was of 40 years as that way. Not sorry.
Because all can send your plan can order kuto a fancy and was anti to show you until that's all my
Mr. On him, a colani him when Hunia or ya on him because a colani one yes, posing it to Yamabi. What I said, Bacola is a color yes psychological problem way. I say I didn't come obi now or psychic because near what family. I am paying for. Where was a year? Obedi 10, 12. Niama ever found na yasano. If I 3 work at 2
Madam coming.
Die.
The good time one.
I want to me. It's I said when no man psychologist. Not ultimate psycho because baby I was doing yet. I got to take it.
A bit me musu and something.
I know musu but I have colano. Na se coin grade be abnormal. Na dream no or who they say normal. Say bema e foul. One share yes na minim say we repino but one share you here or the side I didn't be worry be ma ben cry no or hwehwe ne ho oh yeah
obetimi anya effect also
of course obenya psychological effect we say papa ne de I say straight ya dey concern mo bia me pa chaw ma no we ye fa mo ma ne fie ya fa ne concern
so
yeah straight e kwa ne ho adwuma ye nka ne be ma ne fie
we spiritual implications
media mean yes spiritual I mean spiritual education bia ni aminima ne say be ma na akono bone won so papa banimu a be ma akono bone won so e me kan james abonsan bia na ye pesa de no do o kwakọ ya de wan dwe ho asie say de am kwakọ ye me ne akore kwakọ da kwakọ ka e ka wotim when me ja obi am ka james say e na abonsan ho bonsan bi ba bia ye na ye bonsan papa we say twan be ma ne fio
say akono no
Jahana me for police.
Right out through.
My hit do
Papa na ya take to. Is that I was afraid is you. Papa Penny, me can say papa ko krampo. Ya we dey mfie e dey so enkron 79 years. Achi abofra we dey mfie sia sese no. But direct abofra no utimi se na ye do.
Whether yen do any do papa no wajimi akola de na hwi so akola ye nya ne sa ade na kono me kwa na akola wa ma me form ne na me kwa bi tina ha me hu pani form am tu goyi am ne na ho papa na hu ho am tu goyi lo ne na street no so I try say hu na ka e ba fa pa ma me pani de obetimi ne na je ne aba e dia akola kitikiti we na no
Then we share video. Mammy, I better do it. I say, this is man a crime, and then Fabema. Mammy, I better
say, yeah, in Greece, no here. It's when say, oh, yeah, papa, you to go 2 rounds, yeah, for you.
Uncle Betrema.
Uncle Trema na we. No. Akolade enye. Akolade akono bia ni no.
Akolade ni. Asewo. Abuzi aponti papa ya semi ene. Ena honorable ebi nsem wani so ekire yen sheda eni bressa eni breme some of our messages in bra. Kakre bae no ya kenkan ai charity opoku adman edene de bae. Ai. Data.
Yeah.
Messages in once a mark am for any jam pa.
Ai o mani nya ho ne ne wi asanete e. O bi adimi a wajimi ka dan wajimi.
O ya se ne cameraman esre ya do.
Cameraman ko asa me hwa so lo ko nya ba ye akwa ketekete akwa process ne se ne hawo. Ma me telephone nam me kwa de nwanwa. Pani lie wo mo. Telephone.
Lie wo mo.
Enye jene. Ikola na jene. Na kola ba da akola ho. Ma before telephone. When I was already, so I better let you ma.
Omunim so.
Omunim so stars no omunim movie. Aye.
Dagi na esre na e de hono. Onya ya nka we bo ati.
Dem baby.
Ara hosem na so be ne den empenfo. Empenfo se agroye de no na de sa akwantufo. Yede ebre no ebesi because ye said any bre nana mama Mcbrown ensemo a na ejino ho me nana nsemo efa na waresem ho no eno na ne ono ato ne mutu eka ho nsem se ono de onfa obia ho ono ne de na adwuma ne nioma ba kumienu ehia no eno wo focus ewe so na mo de se wo sore na se wo de camera besi usu no aka ne opa wa wo sempa ono de oye chese fulfilled woman itino de bibia oye no ne ne je ho o sa Re-incarnate a o pese nko sign na nama Mcbrown na enwema ba ku mienu bi a wanye nie na nka wa reconnect waye wa sign corrections ewo ho na wetimi enya abraba no pese nka onya no enwo echi no na papa pani menka ne se akokrampo ya wanyini na ne afi edioson enkron 79 years asisi abofra wedi mfie nsia na abofra wedi mfie nsia de nka kono ben na wona ho ena director Bembruce kan ka fama mempanifo yo mo ye we ejimeti bi ya mo nyoma so ho ejina so no wetimi awoso so nyoma keke nyoma bom because abofra wetimi akọ 2 runs na director abofra we wetimi okay we won't
wa ko for ko akala bone say
abofra we wetimi nyem
o say anyi se na wo kala se na ko ne hawa papa na praga na wo ja kan nyi se le hawa
azara kan
ni se
azara kan e de
yesterday
aso e jebuzi afọ ahada brema sanya donge ni ajino
when yesterday
ahada brema wa kwa me de jumeri resi mene honorable Bembruce honorable on say ma gumi no twa chonya fancy
nanama we wish you well in your marriage ebia besibia no enyame akwan meme de I wouldn't change anything anyhow sane enyame bo me ne amadu no me pepa na akokra ne de etise san kwatwene nsemo na ya bo na chiba ya bo na chima sane amekan no TV stations na mu show soap operas mu ndai na kwasi asem mo say ye kwala me pesa me bubu bidin akese na wo na mo yi no munyai na ewiase wo so ye enwoba say you room eye ni akola ndem eye mususem kwasi asem o ware a se wo twen na wo ha chichema wa enwo awo nye by force o ma me ka se wo aka se o manska na ha chichema wa ansa no wo ye sa nya me hia ma no asi
chembe ho se nyama bo se mi di ya director ba o ye obeboma pa ho eti honorable Bembruce ene eten nka no me din ede kwadwo fori ai ahana berebema kwa me di dwumadi ne asi makacho says safe no adwane na click notification icon so subscribe or na click notification icon so ye ban from bia onsa etimi akayen ai na ye koyenim sa afi so ja comment section ho wona wode won ye ba ne kenkan ede ma mo kama pa me pa cho afi so se opese obon yo ma ho dewura ebre na ni ye bi ensem ede ama too much gh ye bi ensem ti fabre na yebedi ho dwuma e de ama na so adwuma etimi akoso kama pa e de ama na so enya kakra ase wata so because say dey oman no emu ayede yie pa abusuafo mpene sisa kwan wa seden a abobo anu a ene wie aha too much change Mcbrown.